Hi traders. So we haven't seen each other for a while now, and since that time, as you may see, I turned into a wild caveman, and I grew a really beautiful beard, and but the only thing that I gathered is just knowledge, and I am smarter and smarter every day in the jungle, and you should be too, because you are sitting around at home in quarantine and just watch TV and my stupid YouTube videos, but you should be in the jungle and survive and learn new things every day. But you can watch this video and you will be smarter. So there is a story, because as you see, I am in front of a hut, a real jungle hut that we built with our own hands because of the wild animals and the tides, the ocean and the tropical storms and wild rains, and I just became a god king because I fought with a scorpion that was deadly, and I survived, and also the most important thing, that I won. So I'm just a god king, and I'm handsome anyway. So in today's video I will talk about the animals that are just surrounding us: deadly frogs, deadly snakes, spiders, and all this kind of stuff at Panama's borderland. So in today's video, actually, I will talk about Bollinger Bands and a strategy that I will furnish for you, so you can use it and be profitable. And actually, I was thinking about one thing. I will start a new series where I refurnish strategies that are kind of bad, and and also maybe pretty bad, and all just everybody just are losing with these strategies, and I will be the god king for you, and I will refurnish these strategies for you to become profitable. So first thing is a Bollinger Bands strategy that is really easy, and I cut all the bullshit from it, and I brought you the real strategy that is usable. So the first thing is, it contains three indicators. One, Bollinger Bands, that is a one standard deviation one Bollinger Bands that is a two standard deviation one, and one simple moving average that is a 20 period simple moving average. And this strategy is really easy, and I tell you in a really simple way, so beginners can understand it, and advanced traders may learn from it. So the strategy is really easy. There are the charts, the price, and we will separate ranging markets and trending markets. And with this strategy, you can consider the market as a ranging market when you have just the two Bollinger Bands and the one simple moving average, and the price just hits either the upper or the lower Bollinger Bands, the two standard deviation one, and it bounces back and crosses above or below the other Bollinger Bands and the simple moving average. It is a ranging market, and you may know, if you saw my other videos, that I don't really like ranging markets because they are really more unpredictable than trending markets, and I can prove it based on many statistics and optimizations and data analysis. And I was a ranging market warrior too when I was a losing trader. So you have to take a trade with this strategy when the price is I would say X amount of time had passed when the price was between the two Bollinger Bands, either the two upper Bollinger Bands, the 1 and the 2 standard deviation one, or the lower Bollinger Bands. And when the price is between those two, and it already, for example, if you want to take a long trade, it has to cross the simple moving average from below and the the 1 standard deviation Bollinger Bands, and then it will touch the upper Bollinger Band, the 2 standard deviation one, and after that it will be I will consider it a trend, and the price will just it will be just as a ranging market, but it will be a ranging trend because the price will bounce between the two Bollinger Bands, and it will go in a a direction that is good for us. For example, in an upper direction. And of course, with this strategy, it is a really simple entry, but with this strategy comes a really good exit strategy as well. And for example, if you took a long trade because the price just crossed above the simple moving average and the 1 standard deviation Bollinger Bands and touched the 2 standard deviation Bollinger Bands and bounced back, and it is a good trend for us, I don't recommend for you to close your trade until the price just hits from above the 1 standard deviation Bollinger Bands and it crosses below the simple moving average, which is a 20 period one. So this is an easy exit strategy, but it can be really profitable based on my data analysis, and so you should try it as well. And of course, I am a real man who tells the real truth. So you have to add 2 more stop losses and take profits to this strategy, and I recommend a 100 pip stop loss and 100 pip take profit, and also either an ATR based stop loss and take profit or a price percentage based stop loss and take profit. So you have a combination of take profit and stop losses and exit strategy that will there are no guarantees in trading, but it will give you a statistical edge over the other participants in the market. So this strategy was really easy and I cut all the bullshit from it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm back and I go back to my my jungle hut and my cave to grow my beard even larger and larger, and ciao.